Hello everybody, welcome back to KantanFood by Satoshi. Time flies like an arrow. It's already February. New Year was 1 month ago. But maybe you still have ingredients for New Year's Day. We also have these pieces of mochi rice cake in our pantry. So today I'm gonna use this mochi for my dinner. It's very simple mochi casserole dish. So ingredients are pretty simple. First, I chop onion. Quarter of small size onion and chop it just like this. Simply chop it. Okay, set aside. And I use ground meat. Today's one, I found ground soy meat. So I'm gonna use it. And 3 pieces of mochi rice cake. The original size is too big for casserole dish, so I cut into half like this. Do you like mochi? I love mochi. But every year we left mochi in our pantry because we buy so much mochi. I prepared small 6 pieces of mochi. Preparation is that's all. Pretty easy. Before cooking, I recommend to smear oil inside of your casserole to prevent from sticking of mochi. Like this. Butter is also good. Then heat frying pan and put 15 grams of butter. Then melt it. I love butter. The aroma when I'm cooking, it is really good. Put chopped onion inside and stir fry. Until it becomes translucent. So I recommend to cook on medium low. I will make sauce inside of this pot and I don't want to make the sauce brown color, so I don't want to burn onion. So I recommend to cook on medium low. The onion aroma is also really good. It's almost translucent. So here, put minced soy meat. Yeah, soy meat is very easy to cook. It's not raw. So, very easy. Okay. Like this. So here put 1.5 tablespoon of flour and combine with these ingredients. Pour 300 milliliters of milk and simmer lightly. Do not make it boil. Simmer until it becomes thickened. Takes a little bit time, but I recommend to stir fry continuously because it is easy to burn. Okay, it becomes thickened, and I preheat my oven at 190 degrees Celsius. So here sprinkle 1/3 teaspoon of salt. I add other sauce on this casserole dish, so salt amount is a little bit less. Okay, it's already thickened. Then turn off the heat. Then pour in your casserole dish. Then put mochi in this casserole. Dive into this sauce like this. Dive. During cooking in the oven, mochi will become soft, so you can put this mochi as it is. Here, put some cheese on top as much as you like. I love cheese. Is it enough for you? It's up to you. And here, I pour a sriracha sauce. Maybe you know if you are watching our Tabi Eats channel, I bought this one in Nagoya from vending machine. And like this. And sprinkle some bread crumbles on top. Then cook in the oven about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, it's done. It's really hot. Still, gutsu. So here, I sprinkle some parsley for color. Today's mochi casserole dish is ready. So, いただきます。It's really hot. Please be careful. And mochi is here. Yeah, it's already soft. いただきます。Did you know mochi and cheese is a very good friend? It's tasty, and this sriracha sauce enhances the umami. Spiciness gives the spiciness and umami. Maybe because of the garlic they use. The sauce flavor is also good. The butter flavor is nice. おいしい。おいしい。It's simple, but it's very good way to use leftover mochi. If you still have mochi cake in your pantry, please try. It's tasty. So hope you guys enjoyed today's my dinner diary. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let us know what you thought in the comment below. And subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on next delicious video. Bye bye.